Welcome back to Hydrogen Cleaning and Life Hacks. Have you ever thought of putting hydrogen peroxide on your plants or in your garden? I've had these plants forever, by the way. Generally, you think of hydrogen peroxide for cleaning or for gargling, but not today. I have 5 benefits for you, and we are going to revive these babies right here. We'll talk about the amounts to use here in just a second. Typically, I have a little spray bottle on here, but we do not want to use this amount of hydrogen peroxide for what I'm about to show you. But you need to make sure that your soil is aerated so that oxygen and other nutrients can get throughout the plant. How about some root rot down in there? Can kill your entire plant that you've been loving for and caring for and nurturing. I'm sorry. Not only can hydrogen peroxide treat root rot, it can boost the root development, allowing these things to grow longer and stronger. I'm just getting ready to plant these rosemary seeds. We all know that we should soak our seeds in water first, but my friend, if you want to kill any bacteria that's housed on these seeds, you can soak them in hydrogen peroxide instead. And I would recommend for about 4 hours or so. Rinse off the seeds when you're done and then dry them thoroughly and go about your merry gardening way. Got insects in your plants such as aphids. These are my kids right here. They're doing a little gardening of their own, so we're going to do this technique also on them. So it can help with soil aeration, it can sanitize seeds, it can boost root development, it can help with root rot, and then it's an excellent insect repellent. Go on the internet and every article will tell you something different, as well as the YouTube videos in terms of what ratio to use of water in hydrogen peroxide. As I say here, a little goes a long way. So I would start with a little first and then increase the amount of hydrogen peroxide. I will share with you what I use. I like to use a 1:2 ratio, 1 part hydrogen peroxide and 2 parts of water. Now, typically you're gonna wanna have this in an amber bottle if you are going to let this sit in here and use it for multiple uses. I'm just gonna use this for one time today just to demonstrate for you. All my amber bottles are currently being used up, or as it starts to make its way down in hydrogen peroxide, I do like to put a little spray squirter on here. Then you have everything built all in one. As you can see here, the hydrogen peroxide is in a dark bottle because when it interacts with the light, it starts to break down. So as far as spraying your plant, go ahead and spray right near the soil, right in here, right in here. Saturate it well. Oh, they're getting happy now. I can see it. Yes, yes, yes. Now, if you are noticing an infestation of insects on your plants, you can go ahead and spray the foliage and the stems. But generally, you just want to spray it right down here in the roots. So you just go ahead, for demonstration purposes, I'm going to show you right here. There we go. Come back as often as you need to. You may want to come in daily, especially if you have a larger infestation, and then reduce this combination to probably about once a week or every other week. Let us know in that comments box below if you've tried this before. Also, share with us what ratio of water and hydrogen peroxide have you found most helpful in your gardening and with your plants. Give the video a thumbs up. Click the video on screen now for some additional cleaning and life hacks, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.